Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. Today, let's discuss some important MCQs on the topic synthesis of sentences. But before starting, consider sharing this video with your friends and subscribing the channel if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's move on to the MCQs. Question number 1. Synthesis is the combination of two or more dash sentences into a single sentence. The options are A. Simple, B. Complex, C. Compound, or D. Difficult. The correct option is A. Simple. Question number 2. A simple sentence has only one dash verb. Options are A. Non-finite, B. Irregular, C. Finite, or D. Regular. The correct option is C. Finite. Question number 3. Dash sentence needs at least two finite verbs. Options are A. Simple, B. Compound, C. Imperative, or D. Exclamatory. The correct option is B. Compound. Question number 4. Coordinating clauses can be made by combining sentences using a coordinating dash. The options are A. Adverbs, B. Conjunctions, C. Adjectives, or D. Pronouns. The correct option is B. Conjunctions. Question number 5. Conjunctions like but, yet, however, still, nevertheless, express dash. The options are A. Alternative, B. Conclusion, C. Choice, or D. Difference or opposition. The correct option is D. Difference or opposition. Question number 6. Conjunctions like or, either or, and neither nor are used to express dash. The options are A. Alternatives, B. Conclusion, C. Choice, or D. Difference or opposition. The correct option is A. Alternatives. Question number 7. Conjunctions like therefore, for, so, and so on are used to express dash. The options are A. Alternatives, B. Conclusion, C. Choice, or D. Difference or opposition. The correct option is B. Conclusion. Question number 8. Seeing the cat, the dog barked is an example of simple sentence combined by present participle dash. The options are A. The dog, B. The cat, C. Seeing, or D. Barked. The correct option is C. Seeing. Question number 9. Use of an adjective, an adverb, a preposition, present participle, past participle, infinitive, a noun or noun phrase are helpful to make dash sentence. Options are A. Complicated, B. Compound, C. Complex, or D. Simple. The correct option is D. Simple. Question number 10. I have aged parents to take care of. Here, dash word is called infinitive. Options are A. To, B. Take care, C. Parents, or D. Aged. The correct option is A. To. Question number 11. A complex sentence needs two dash verbs. Options are A. Non-finite, B. Finite, C. Regular, or D. Irregular. The correct option is B. Finite. Question number 12. Subordinate clause always depends on dash clause to get meaning. Options are A. Adjective, B. Adverb, C. Noun, or D. Main. The correct option is D. Main. Question number 13. Main clause is also called a dash clause. The options are A. Subordinate, B. Secondary, C. Principal, or D. Principal. The correct option is C. Principal. Question number 14. Two or more simple sentences can be combined into a single complex sentence by creating dash clauses. Options are A. Subordinate, B. Main, C. Principal, or D. Chief. The correct option is A, subordinate. Question number 15. If a sentence states what did not happen, what was not said or done is called a dash dash sentence. The options are A, affirmative, B, important, C, interrogative, or D, negative. The correct option is D, negative. Question number 16. Affirmative sentences are changed into negative by adding not between dash dash. Options are A, main verb and adjective, B, main verb and preposition, C, main verb and noun, or D, auxiliary verb and main verb. The correct option is D, auxiliary verb and main verb. Question number 17. If an affirmative sentence does not contain an auxiliary verb, to make a negative, primarily auxiliary dash dash is used according to person, number, and tense of the sentence. The options are A, be, B, have, C, shall, or D, do. The correct option is D, do. Question number 18. In imperative sentences, the negative is found by putting dash dash at the beginning of the sentence. Options are A, is not, B, do not, C, are not, or D, cannot. The correct option is B, do not. Question number 19. In imperative sentences, the negative is formed by putting do not at the beginning of the sentence before the dash dash. The options are A, auxiliary verb, B, main verb, C, object, or D, subject. The correct option is B, main verb. Question number 20. The contracted forms of auxiliary verbs are commonly used in dash dash English. Options are A, informal and spoken, B, formal and spoken, C, informal and written, or D, formal and written. The correct option is A, informal and spoken. Question number 21. What type of sentences end with a question mark? Options are A, imperative, B, interrogative, C, affirmative, or D, exclamatory. The correct option is B, interrogative. Question number 22. Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions or make dash dash. Options are A, inquiries, B, request, C, appeal, or D, demand. The correct option is A, inquiries. Question number 23. What are the two subtypes of interrogative sentences? The options are A, simple and difficult, B, formal and informal, C, WH and yes no, or D, easy and difficult. The correct option is C, WH and yes or no. Question number 24. Yes no questions always begin or start with dash dash verb. The options are A, transitive, B, intransitive, C, auxiliary, or D, main. The correct option is C, auxiliary. Question number 25. What is the position of the subject in yes no type question? Options are A, after auxiliary or second, B, before auxiliary or initial, C, final, or D, after main verb. The correct option is A, after auxiliary or second. Question number 26. What kind of answer do we get through WH questions? Options are A, indefinite, B, ambiguous, C, vague, or D, detailed and specific. The correct option is D, detailed and specific. Question number 27. Dash dash sentences are used to give orders, instructions, to make a request, and to give advice. Options are A, imperative, B, interrogative, C, assertive, or D, declarative. The correct option is A, imperative. Question number 28. Generally, imperative sentences start with dash dash. Options are A, preposition, B, modal auxiliary, C, a verb or let, or D, primary auxiliary. The correct option is C, a verb or let. Question number 29. Sentences that begin with let are called dash dash sentences. Options are A. Negative, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, or D. Assertive. The correct option is B. Imperative. Question number 30. In imperative sentences, the subject dash dash is always implied. Options are A. She, B. You, C. He, or D. I. The correct option is B. You. Question number 31. Imperative sentences that begin with let express dash dash. Options are A. Direct order, B. Indirect order, C. Direct suggestion, or D. Indirect suggestion. The correct option is D. Indirect suggestion. Question number 32. What type of sentences are used to express pain, surprise, joy, sorrow, admiration, or pity? Options are A. Assertive, B. Exclamatory, C. Interrogative, or D. Imperative. The correct option is B. Exclamatory. Question number 33. Exclamatory sentences end with dash dash. Options are A. Full stop, B. Inverted comma, C. Question mark, or D. Exclamation mark. The correct option is D. Exclamation mark. Question number 34. Exclamatory sentences can either begin with dash dash or have the structure of an assertive sentence. Options are A. Which or when, B. Where or when, C. How or what, or D. Where or how. The correct option is C. How or what. Question number 35. Negative of the sentence, the plane took off from this runway, is dash dash. Options are A. The plane did not take off from this runway, B. The plane does not take off from this runway, C. The plane will not take off from this runway, or D. The plane did not took off from this runway. The correct option is A. The plane did not take off from this runway. Question number 36. Negative of the sentence, she works in the garden, is dash dash. Options are A. She does not work in the garden, B. She did not work in the garden, C. She is not working in the garden, or D. She does not work in the garden. The correct option is D. She does not work in the garden. Question number 37. They like traveling is a dash dash type sentence. Options are A. Affirmative or assertive or declarative, B. Affirmative or negative or declarative, option C. Interrogative, or D. Imperative. The correct option is A. Affirmative or assertive or declarative. Question number 38. Assertive or declarative or affirmative or negative sentences usually end with a dash dash. The options are A. Full stop, B. Inverted comma, C. Question mark, or D. Exclamation mark. The correct option is A. Full stop. Question number 39. Does Ruturaj play the sitar? Is a dash dash type of sentence. Options are A. Exclamatory, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, or D. Assertive. The correct option is C. Interrogative. Question number 40. Open the door is a dash dash type of sentence. Options are A. Exclamatory, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, or D. Assertive. The correct option is B. Imperative. Question number 41. What a wonderful performance is a dash dash type of sentence. Options are A. Exclamatory, B. Imperative, C. Interrogative, or D. Assertive. The correct option is A. Exclamatory. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.